What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. Let me know what you think of all the videos. You know, always subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff. And let's get straight into this. So we've got the PUMA box standard green and white, which no one actually cares about. What's important is the information on the label. So this pair is the RSZ or RSZ if you're American, and that's a Reinvention. The colorway on this is high rise Bluemazing. That's different. The sizing UK 10, Euro 44.5, US 11 centimeters 29, and they are made in Vietnam. Bam. So straight off the bat, you can tell a lot of color, and I really do like this colorway, I'll be honest. We'll run through the colors. So the sole is not black, actually. It's like a navy blue, a dark navy blue. You can tell that straight away if you compare it to black. Then we've got like an orange bit there that says RS running system. The sole is white. It's not like a bright white, but it is white. It's kind of like a not so bright white. Then on the back we've got these, I don't know what to call them, to be honest. It's in this green, light green colorway. And then we've got a purple tab. I don't know what you call this tab either, if I'm honest. And then we've got this orange, very bright type orange, light orange color. On the back heel tab we've got pink RS running system, and then we've got the pink back tab type of strings that they always have, and then on top of that white. We've got some reflective bits in there. The PUMA swoosh is, you know, it's just like a stick on this pair, and then behind it is like this nylon type material. We've got a bit of suede there, grey suede, and then we have neoprene here, which is like a navy neoprene. We've got some more the suede, you know, blue suede that goes around the eyelet, so it's not really all the eyelets, it's just like 2-3 of them. Then we've got, what is that material? Nubuck around the laces. Go into the front. It feels like leather, to be honest. It's like an odd type of leather, very weird leather that. Then 2 tabs of pink and grey, just like a wolf grey toe box in mesh. We've got grey laces and then a grey tongue with the RS running system. That's navy with the little pink. Then we've got the navy sock liner, which is a slightly different shade of navy. It is a different material as well to the collar. And inside RS running system, grey with the pink. And then you can see the insole is that like soft PUMA insole. So this shoe, I'll be honest, it's crazy, like a lot of color going on there, but they look so good on foot, man. I really like this pair. You know, regardless of the color, it's so good. They could have even had less colors, but they decided to do loads of colors, and it actually looks really nice. I really like it. I don't really have much more to say about it. It's just all the colors and stuff like that. Very funky, but also not as funky as some pairs can be. Yeah, good shoe. Really like it. Comfort, everything 10/10. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content, all the videos. Wait a few moments, you will see a on foot video, and take care, my people.